Hello students, now I am going to show you a colorful experiment using universal indicator, and we'll see what color is changing for different compounds. Like if we take acid, strong acid, what is going to happen? If we take strong base, what is going to happen? So let's start the experiment. So first I will start with water. We'll see the change of color if we add universal indicator in water. So this is the universal indicator. I'm going to add just one drop of universal indicator in water. What you can see, it's a green color. Okay, so that means it's a color of neutral. So this water is neutral, so its color is green. Now keep it aside. Now I'm going to take here few drops of vinegar. We know vinegar is a weak acid, so I'm going to add just a drop of universal indicator. See, can you see the color is red. Now I'm going to add boric acid. So vinegar is a organic acid, acetic acid, it's a weak acid. Boric acid is a inorganic acid. So let me add boric acid. Now I will add few drops of water to make it a solution. See, I'm just making a solution. It's a colorless solution. Now I'm going to add just a drop of universal indicator. You can see the color is yellowish green. So now see what is the difference. This is acetic acid. It is not deep red in color, slightly orange in color, and this is boric acid. The color is greenish, yellowish greenish. Now I am going to add NaOH solution, means sodium hydroxide. I'll add just a drop of universal indicator. See, purple color. Can you see the color? You can see here. It's a purple color. Now I'm going to add cooking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate. Add few drops of water. Now I'm adding universal indicator. Yeah. See the color. The color is green. Now I'm going to add washing soda. Add few drops of water. Now one drop of universal indicator. Blue color, similar like sodium hydroxide solution. So now let's understand why this kind of color changes are happening. What is the purpose of using indicator? So universal indicator is a type of indicator which will tell you what is the strength of the acid. Like it will change the color in the different strength of acid and base. If it is a very strong acid, it will show you different color. It's usually a red, deep red color. And if it's a weak acid, so it will slowly move towards the greenish color. So from here you can see this is the color change of universal indicator has been given. If it is a strong acid, very strong acid, pH is around 1, you will get a deep red color. Now if acid strength is decreasing, it is orange in color, and that we can say it is matching with the acetic acid, because we know acetic acid is weak acid. Now if we moving down, as acidic strength is decreasing. Now here you can see if it is a pH is 5, 6 like that, we'll be getting greenish color, and that is matching with the boric acid. So that means boric acid pH is around 5 to 6. Now when you are coming to neutral, neutral means pH equal to 7. That color here you can see, that color is also green. So here when we add universal indicator in water, we know it's a neutral. I have just taken a tap water. So here you can see it's a greenish color. So that means this is a neutral color. Now if the basic strength is increasing, slowly color will be moving, and around 14 it should come deep blue color or violet color, though it doesn't clear from this one, you can see, but this should be the deep blue or violet color. So here you can see sodium hydroxide solution. We know it's a sodium hydroxide is a very strong base, and that's why when we add universal indicator we can see it's a purple color. Similarly, when we add washing soda is actually is a sodium carbonate. So sodium carbonate, when you add into water, it gives you sodium hydroxide and the carbonic acid. So sodium hydroxide is a strong acid. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. So that's why the color changes to, universal indicator changes the color into the deep blue color, like the sodium hydroxide solution we have taken. So this is also an example that sodium carbonate, actually it's a basic salt. So when you dissolve in water, it gives a strong base, sodium hydroxide, and that's why when we use the universal indicator, the color shows to purple or violet color, which indicates that it is a strong base. Now this is sodium bicarbonate, cooking soda. Cooking soda is a sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, actually it's a weak base. So that's why here you can see weak base. So that's why color is slightly green color. It may be around 8 or 9. So that's why sodium bicarbonate, that means the sodium bicarbonate is weak base. That's why color changes slightly green color. So now you understand that what is the importance of using universal indicator. You can use that paper, universal indicator paper, or you also can use the universal indicator solution which is available, and you can use different kind of household things, like you can use the hand washing solution, shampoo, like that, and you can check that what color is changing when you use the universal indicator. It will tell you the strength of that particular solution, whether it's a strong acid or strong base, weak acid or weak base. Hope you understand the explanation, and thank you for watching it.